Well, welcome back to another Shaving Done unboxing. Before we get into the unboxing, we're going to talk about beer. Okay, so I don't know if this is for Australia wide, but it's definitely for South Australia. For some time now, the Sapporo beer, Japanese beer, is imported, 650ml. Apparently, brewed and canned in Vietnam, from what I've been told. Oh no. Brewed under supervision. Hang on. Yeah, I think it's on the box. Yeah, made in Vietnam. There we go. You can see that at all. Anyway, I've never really tried it. And we've been selling it at the booze shop I work in. Real hefty can. And then these came in yesterday. So this is now being brewed in South Australia at the Coopers Brewery. So this was imported by Coopers, but brewed in Vietnam. Now it's being brewed under license in South Australia at Coopers Brewery. The big difference you can see straight away is 500ml, whereas this was 650. The cat, get out of it. Come on. Crikey. So I thought, oh, I'm going to do a taste test last night to see what the big difference is. And amazingly, there is quite a difference. So basically this one here, which was brewed in Vietnam and been imported into Australia for some time now, a much lighter flavour, crisp enough and pleasant to drink, easy to drink. Now that it's been brewed in South Australia at Coopers Brewery, it's what's the easiest way to describe this? A heavier style of flavour. The flavour of it is more pronounced and more bitter than this one. So, the can looks pretty shiny, chrome-like, and looks quite good, but I think we're going to see some unhappy customers who have grown accustomed to this beer, the brewed in Vietnam one, compared to the brewed in South Australia. So if you're in SA or anywhere around Australia and you see the change in cans, just check the back, see where it's brewed. It probably will be brewed in by Coopers. And yeah, let me know what you think. You may enjoy the new flavour, but last night I had them side by side. I poured them into identical glasses, and I really enjoyed this one better. So anyway, life goes on. To the unboxing. Where are the scissors? The cat's sitting on them. No. There they are. So I saw this on eBay the other week and I thought I'd grab it. Special fried rice. But it's done the trick. Get my thumb off. So there's two razors. One I want, the other is just going straight in the bin. It has absolutely no value. Even and you'll know what I mean. You can see that straight away. These just have no value, and I've got one that's NOS sitting in a box. It was an interesting concept back in the day, back in the late 60s, for the Apollo missions, if my memory's correct. Just a very, very average shave, and they're just a dime a dozen. You almost can't give them away. So that's going into the bin. So but it was teamed up with this razor. And this here is a feather razor. There we go. So it's very light. The handle's got some heft in it. There is some weight in it, but when you spin that collar around, it feels very light. So I thought I'd grab it. You don't see these too often, and even more importantly, you don't see them at all for a sale in Australia. Made in Japan on the back, and if you can, where the finger is, you can see feather. So I will have a crack with this one in some upcoming videos. I'll starting to settle down here. I'll try and get some more shave videos up. I have had trouble uploading stuff for whatever reason, which is very annoying, but I might have worked out what was going wrong there. So anyway, keep an eye out for this one. If you actually have one of these at home and shave with it, please let me know in the comments what you think, and do you enjoy it as a shave. Okay, thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed the beer review. If you are a beer drinker, and yeah, do like the big Sapporo can, get as many as you can, because they're not importing them anymore. This is what it's going to be. Grab hold of the new one as well. Do your own taste test. Let me know what you think as well. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.